Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I will show you in this video so stylish and trendy collection of Pixie haircut in short hair, with beautiful hairstyling, very attractive and eye-catching hair dye. An overall collection very stylish and latest in Pixie in short hair with beautiful hair dye, hair styling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. So stylish ideas of Pixie haircut in short hair. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. The attractive collection of choppy haircut, notching haircut. And so beautiful ideas of bang, chin length bang, nose length bang. Very beautiful ideas of hair dye. Burgundy hair dye, different shade of burgundy, lightly and dark. And blonde color. So beautiful ideas of black color. Grey color. Different collection of funky colors. And very stylish ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and so cute ideas of ash color highlights with dark base color. And so stylish collection of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling. Some ideas wave and curl naturally, and some ideas may curl with color, with crimper. And so stylish collection of messy hairstyle, spiky hairstyle, with a spike with undercut. Overall collection, stylish and latest in Pixie in short hair with beautiful hair dye, hairstyling for girls and women. You see in this video, I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. Look too gorgeous, I hope you must try it. On my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. Please support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. Share it your all over social media accounts. If you new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I will become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I will wait. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. Take care and bye bye.